Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account, and once you're on your account, just go to this section here where you have your profile picture. Scroll down and you would see um, the section of English, or you see the language section. If you can't read it, it's characterized by the uh, word globe just beside it, so you can click on it and you can change it to any language you want. So I've changed mine to Dutch, and it would reset my profile and appear in that particular language, and I can go ahead to change it. So it's still taking some time to get adjusted. So guys, that is how to actually change your language on your account. So I can go ahead to change it back to English, and that's it guys. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.